So welcome back for our sample traffic light sequence part 2. So if you don't know how we came up with this ladder logic, because we are done with the ladder logic programming, if you don't know how we came about with this, please visit part 1 is in the link. This part 1 link is in the description below. So today we are going to have our HMI. So I think we can kick off. So we are going to open our XP builder. We are going to open a new project. We are going to use XGB CPU as usual. Shall go to communication settings. Use PLC simulator and use program monitor. Tick them. Then after we say OK. Just as I told you earlier, I prefer a white background. Screen property, background, use background color. Then select white and select white. You can select any of your choice. As for me, I prefer a white background. So we can start here. We are going to have a shape. Can have here a rectangle. So this is it, is properties. It just pops up. So the line, you're going to give it blue with a line width of around 5. Fill color, I can leave that one. And then I say OK. Wow, that is it. So I'm going to add text in it. Click around there. So the text is traffic light. Traffic light sequence. So the size, I can give it 26. The color can be green. You choose the color of your choice, bold, center, and we go. So you just resize it. There we go. Traffic light sequence. Then we go, let's have another rectangle somewhere here. So the same thing, this one we are going to give it fill gray. And this one line color the same as blue. You say OK. Oh, it has not come. Double click on it. Line width 5. Select here gray. Is it? Yes, OK. So that is it. So that one is going to act as our control panel. I can copy and paste this text here and edit it and call it control panel. Then I can change the color to blue. Say OK. Yeah. So that is our control panel. Let me reduce its size a bit to 24. Say OK. Yes. So that is control panel is going to just contain our start and stop button. So let's have this way another rectangle. Bifigure, okay, another rectangle here, something of the kind. The line can give it black, a width of 5. Then the color inside you can give it gray. Select here, you say OK. So let me first copy and paste this word and put it somewhere around this way, and this is the roadside. Say okay. So this one is going to act as our traffic light. Allow me have this small rectangle here to act as the leg. Line color black, fill color black, select here the black, say okay. Allow me have another rectangle here to act as the base. It has refused. Double click on it, fill black, here also black, select here, say okay. Okay, so that is our lamp. It's going to act as, that is our post for the traffic lights. Now we are going to add our start and stop button. We are going to come here to bit switch. I'm going to add a bit switch somewhere. Then here we shall follow our ladder logic. The stop is P000. Hope you can see. So we come back this way and give it here P0000. Say okay. Momentary acts as a push button, and then can come to display. Same image and change color. So I'll come here to library and select some a nice one. Let me try this and see. So when it is off, let it be the same thing, and when it is on, use when it is on, this should be the same thing, because this is not a lamp. No need to change color when pressing. Say okay. I forgot text. You can write, use caption, then it says stop. The size can put to around 18. Give it color black. The same when it is off. Stop. 16. Black. Bold. Even when it is on, also bold. And say okay. Hope you can see. So I'm going to pull it around somewhere here. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Copy and paste that one. Then a double click for its properties. So this one I'm gonna give it text. I'm going to call it a start. I'm going to give it the same properties. So also when it is off, this is start. Still, it's not a lamp, no need to change. Display, this one, the color it will be that one. Even this side also, it's going to be that one. So that is it. And here in basics, remember it is P1. Because our start in the ladder logic is P1. As you can see, our start is P0001. So also here is P001. Momentary acts as a limit switch. You say okay. So we are ready to have that one. So those are the buttons. Then allow me have a bit lamp. The first lamp I'm going to have here a lamp. I'm going to put memory, so to show that my system is on. So I'm going to give it M0. Here select M0, say OK. Then the display, I'm going to leave this. I just say OK. Then I'm going to put this one around here. I see. Then I'll have another lamp. So now here this, I'm going to have the red, that's P20, the red lamp. So here I'm going to give it basic P. We go back to our P. Hey, P20. Say OK. Display, I'm going to choose something else. Let me see, though it can remain the same. Just when it is off, can okay. So now here is where I'm going to choose a proper one. Say lamp square, I need a round one. So that one. All. Select this one. Will it work? Let me see. OK. So when it is off, let it be black. When it is on, let it be red. Off, on. See? OK. So I'm going to put it somewhere here. Are we there? Somewhere, something like that. So I'm going to control paste it 2 times to make 3 lamps. So swan down, swan down a bit. So now the properties of the second, this is P21, don't forget. Say OK. Then the display, this one when it is on, it should give us something related to yellow. Say OK. Then this one is P22. Say OK. Then the display, it should give us something related to green. Say OK. So I think we are ready to go to have our simulation. So before we have the simulation, we can go here to our XG5000 in the ladder logic. Then you run, it is simulation. You start by running the simulation of the ladder logic before you simulate the HMI. Right, complete. So we are there. It is under simulation. You can minimize and maybe you can be seeing what will be happening. So here also let's have simulation of this one. What's wrong with the thing here? Okay, so we can minimize this one. So we have here, as you see, these are our 3 lamps: red, orange, green. So the start, see, it goes on as this way goes on. As our memory, this one just shows us that our system is on. So we give it time as we analyze the sequence. Remember, I told you it's not a must that all traffic lights are like that. Just wanted us to go through and practice this one. But if you also have another format, or you would like us to try something else, you can post it in the comment, then we see how to go about with it. So remember, thanks for watching, and thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment with your concern. I don't think if I got anything much than this, and I will request that maybe we stop here and we meet in the next tutorials. Thanks for what? For whatever you're doing. So when you press stop, the system goes on start, stop, bye bye. May the Almighty bless you all.